Can you really transform your truck's interior with just a few covers? This GXT Dodge Ram seat cover set claims to do just that. And honestly, the camouflage red is a bold statement for any truck owner looking to add some personality. We're talking about a custom fit for select 2013 to 2021 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. The first thing that stands out is the material. It's a premium faux leather, and it feels surprisingly soft to the touch. They've even added a bit of padding, which is a nice touch for those long drives where comfort is key. Installation is supposed to be a breeze, with all the necessary accessories and instructions included. No extra tools needed, which is always a win. The design also accounts for safety, leaving the sides of the front seats uncovered to ensure the airbags can deploy properly in an emergency. That's a crucial detail that shows they've thought about functionality beyond just looks. Now let's talk protection. These covers are waterproof, which is a lifesaver for anyone who uses their truck for work, has kids or pets. Spills, dirt, animal hair, scratches, they're all meant to be kept off your original seats. The camouflage red design itself is definitely a conversation starter, adding a unique flair that you won't see on every other truck. It's a way to personalize your ride without a permanent modification. The package comes with 2 front seat covers and 2 front headrest covers, so you get a complete front-end refresh. Cleaning is as simple as a quick wipe down with a damp towel, making maintenance super easy. Overall, if you're looking to upgrade your Dodge Ram's interior with a durable, protective, and eye-catching seat cover set, this GXT option is certainly worth considering. It seems to deliver on its promise of both style and substance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.